Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the band on your Venu smartwatch. To replace the band, you will need a smartwatch and a pair of new watch bands. Venu Sereis smartwatch is compatible with 20mm wide standard quick-release bands. Please refer to the description of this video if you want to know more details about the bands. First of all, slide the quick-release pin on the spring bar and remove the band. Do the same process on the other side to remove the old watch band. Next, insert one side of the spring bar of the new band. Slide the quick release pin and align the spring bar with the opposite side. You can hear the click sound that means the band is fixed. Do the same process on the other side to complete replacing the watch band. And that's it. You can now change the band on your Venu. For more help, please visit the Garmin support website. Thanks for watching.